Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a folder in Windows 10. So that's what we are going to be looking at. I'm going to show you how you can create it on desktop and then how you can create it in window, right? So that's what you're going to be doing in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I'm on my desktop right here. So I'm going to show you how you can create a folder. So what you can do is just on the desktop, just come to your desktop, right click on it, right, and then this window should be opening up. Now click on new, and then you should be seeing this new folder here, folder there. Click on folder right there, and then as you can see, it's here. So now you can name it, let's say tutorial, right? Tutorial, save that, and then just press enter. So as you can see, we created this. So if you were to rename it, just right click on it and then come to rename down here, right? You see this, and then click there, and then that will, and then just type it, tutorial, right? And then just press. So that's how you can create a folder on desktop. Now let's see how you can create it in window. Right, so just open up your window. Let's just open this. Let's say you are in here, right? You want to create a folder for yourself right here. So there are two ways you can do that. The first way, you can use the way that I show you, right, where you can right click and then click on new, and then click on folder, and then just name it, let's say tut, right, or tutor, right, tutorial, and then just press enter. So as you can see, this is the folder that you just created. That's the first way. And then the other way, once you are on your home tab right here, make sure you are on your home tab, and then you should see this is written new folder. So once you click on that, it's opening up. This is a to folder that you just, and then you can just give it whatever name you want. Let's just say another folder or something like that, and then just press enter. As you can see, you created these two, like these two folders. So those are the two ways you can use to create a folder. Again, you can rename it by just right clicking on it and then come to rename, and then give it whatever name you want, and then just press out, right? So yeah, that's how you can create a folder in Windows 10. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Now if this was your first time, or if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. With that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.